What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Shaka252 bringing another video. And in today's video, I wanted to show you guys that I just installed the Ghost box from Lighting Trendz. I saw a few people on YouTube and on Instagram that had the Ghost box. I currently have, as you can see, it's going through, I think this one is called Fireworks, I believe. Yeah, if you guys have the Flow series from Lighting Trendz, you should definitely pick up the Ghost box. I think it's one of those things where it's unlimited on what you can do with it. But I just wanted to show you guys real quick on how it turned out. And it's got the fog lights on it too, up where, see if I'm hitting the unlock button, hit the lock. I got it set where it does that with my turn signals. You can customize it. It's super customizable. You can do it however you want. And turn signal. Then I'm gonna show you guys this too. Even when I shut it off, my kill switch is right here. I'm gonna turn it back on. Cause it does something when it starts up too. Guys, that's pretty much it, man. I wanted to show you guys some of the features on the Ghost box. Like I said, if you have the Lighting Trendz Flow series, I highly suggest you get the what they call the Ghost box. It's worth it, man. It's worth it. The light shows, to be honest, I actually got, even though it was 200 different modes on the original Flow series, I actually got bored with it. Believe it or not, I got bored with the 200 modes. And when I came across the Ghost box, I was like, I gotta have it. I gotta get it. I gotta get that. But let me turn these back on and mess with it again.
Shaka on the beats. 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 We're falling in.